Today's our topic is that how to add animation in your video. Suppose you are adding two videos and one video is in the front side and another video is in the back side, and if you want to add a transition and animation between a video that will move to another video, so this video is for transition. So here transition, as you see that here are many transitions. Let's suppose I am importing a video, this one a first video and this one is a second video. So as you see that here is a gap between both videos, and if I play both videos like this, so this gap not pretty good. I want to add some animations, so these are some animations like this. If you place between both videos and the animations work like this, so this is a pretty good. If you want some cinematic animations, so these are the cinematic roll animations. If you take a B-rolls and many other rolls, so this will a good pretty good animation as like this. Sounds good. And here are more animations, and let's suppose I'm adding another video here and I want to add another transition, so I will add this one, and this one is a pretty good. As you see that the camera shakes and turn into another video. So this was a basically video on animation, and the animations play a role in many music videos and many other films videos.